environments. Once stabilized in the hover, the pilot will showcase the smooth hovering capabilities of the F-35B in the STOVL flight regime with a sideward transition followed by a 360-degree pirouette. Soon the noise levels will become too high to hear a description of the maneuvers in which Major Horn will be performing, but do note that the aircraft has been expertly maintained by the great maintenance professionals of Marine Fighter Attack Training Squadron 501, the Warlords, based at Marine Corps Air Station Beaufort in South Carolina.
Zoom in, everyone.
Now for the hover, here's Major William Brankles Horn and the F-35B Lightning II.
Thank you for watching this live stream.
I'd like to extend their thanks to the people of Atlantic City and to New Jersey for supporting your SOAR and shore airship. This concludes the aerial demonstration by the F-35B Lightning II. The crew hopes you've enjoyed this presentation of the present and the future of U.S. Marine Corps strike fighter aviation. Ladies and gentlemen, if you would, how about a very big round of applause for your United States Marine Corps and the F-35B Lightning II.
Yay!